Hello everyone, welcome to the 8085 programming series. Today we will do some programs which are based on memory. This is the first one, we will do two more. So this is a very simple program. What we have to do is write a program to transfer the contents of memory location 8040 to register A. So we have to transfer the contents from the memory location 8040 to register A. So it is just one single instruction is required. So what we write at 8000, we write LDA 8040. Now this LDA is load accumulator direct. So the data from memory location 8040, it gets transferred to register A, and because this is a 3-byte instruction, therefore we need to leave 2 bytes here after this LDA, and then finally we have the halt instruction. Now let us execute this on the simulator. I'll start the simulator and the simulator now. So this is what we get. So we type the code, that is LDA 8040. Then next was, there are only 2 instructions. Then after doing this, we will assemble the code. After assembling, we get this. Now before running the code step by step or run at a time, we need to store some data into the memory. So after assembling, what we do is we come to this. You can see I will click on memory, and memory, there are 3 radio buttons are there. So click on this store directly to the specified memory location. So we need to store some data in 8040. So what I do is 8040, okay, and then I come to this. I will store 10 here, okay, and click here. So now this data has been stored, 10 has been stored. So after running the program, register A must contain 10. Okay, so let us run the program just step by step. So with the forward, we can see this, we get 10 here. This A contains 10 because of this instruction. Okay, then forward and we get this. Okay, so for memory related operation, we need to store some data in the memory after we assemble the code. Now the next program is write a program to transfer the contents of memory location 8040 to register B and register C. So this is the first instruction. Okay, so what we do is we write the instruction LDA because only A register can access the memory directly. So if we write LDA 8040, so the data from 8040, it will transfer to register A, and then because this is the 3-byte instruction, we have to leave 2 bytes, and then in the third instruction, the second instruction, the contents of A are transferred to B, but A contains the contents of memory location. So it is memory location with that contents of memory location which are transferred to B, and then A to C, and then halt. Now let us do the this in run in the simulator. So I already typed the opcode. So that's LDA 8040, then move B comma, then move C comma, then halt. So I'll just assemble the code. Okay, after assembling we get this is the hex code. Now then we come to the memory, okay, and then come to store directly, and here I will store some data. So this, let me store 8040. I'll just store 10 again. I'll store 10 here. Okay, so this is stored. Now we come to this register mode, and we'll just run the program. So initially you can see A, B, C all contain 0000. So when we execute the code, the very first thing is the data from the memory. It is transferred to the register A, and with the next instruction we see 10 from A is transferred to B, and from B, and we see that after that with this instruction move C comma A, the data from A has been stored to register C, and that's it. So this is how we transfer the data from memory to register B and C directly through A. Next we do the third program. So here write a program to transfer the contents of register A to memory location 8040. So it is of course very straightforward. What we do is STA 8040 and then halt. Okay, so these are the only 2 instructions, but we will write one more instruction. We will store some data in register A first. Okay, when we are doing it on Juveen's 8085 simulator, we will first store some data in register A. So before STA we will write one instruction MVI A. Some data will be stored in register A, and then after executing that data should come to 8040. So let us write it on the simulator. So this is, I've typed the three instructions MVIA20H. Although this was not mentioned, but in order to check the result we need to store some data in register A. So I've stored 20H in register A, and then STA. With STA the data of A will be stored in memory location 8040. So now let us assemble the program. Now after assembling we get this is the hex code. Okay, now we run it. So now this is the first one. So with MVIA20, the data 20 will be stored in register A, that is the accumulator, and with STA the data from A will be stored in 8040 and then halt. Now how to check this whether the data has been stored or not? So we come to this memory location, okay, and then there are two ways. One way is like we can just see show entire memory contents, okay, and in this case we need to check this 8040. Okay, so this is 8040, you can see this is 8040, so it contains 20. So this is the memory location 8040, it contains 20, and after this we have 1 2 3 4, so this is 40, then 41 42 43 and so on. So this is 20, it has been stored. Okay, so you can see even it is showing here 8040 contains 20, and this is actually the code which we have loaded here. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.